Hi guys, welcome to another video of mine. As you already know from the title, today we'll be talking about the RK61. The RK61 is a very popular mechanical keyboard for its price on the market right now. It may be one of the best budget 60% keyboard you can find. With its size, this keyboard would be a great choice for gaming. It would also be a great entry-level keyboard for someone new to mechanical keyboards. The RK61 has lots of features at a low price. First, we'll be talking about the Bluetooth. You can connect up to 3 devices and cycle between them easily. You can connect to Bluetooth by turning on the switch behind the keyboard and pressing the function key with either Q, W, or E. Next, we have the stabilizers. They are pre-looped from the factory and is looped evenly and sound nice, except the space bar that still has a little bit rattle. But I still recommend you modding these stabilizers. It doesn't take a lot of effort to mod a stabilizers too. Finally, we have the keycaps. The keycaps are ABS double shot, while I prefer the higher quality of the PBT keycaps. The RK61 must sacrifice quality in some areas to achieve its affordable price. But the ABS keycap can function normally and get the job done, but they don't last as long as the PBT keycaps. The keyboard also comes with software which is very nice for a budget keyboard. You can change the lighting effects, change the speed of the effects, the brightness of the keyboard, and you can also turn on gaming mode, which allow you to turn off the Alt F4 or the window keys, which is pretty nice for gaming. You can watch all the lighting effects on the other video on my channel in the description below. Overall, this keyboard has great features and I would recommend this keyboard for people who want to start using a mechanical keyboard but don't have a high budget. This is the end of the video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.